Most people hope you never understand this truth about attraction because once a man sees how it really works, he becomes harder to control. He stops chasing approval and stops falling for confusing signals. This is not the sweet advice repeated everywhere online. It is the uncomfortable side of attraction, the quiet rules that shape desire. And once you notice them clearly, it becomes impossible. First lesson is simple. Attention matters, but space matters more. Many men think women want endless messages, quick replies, and constant presence. That is what most advice teaches. Always be there, always answer, never disappear. Yet desire rarely grows inside constant access. When someone is always available, they become predictable. Comfort appears, but excitement fades. Attraction often grows in small gaps where curiosity and missing. Truthfully, this is not about ignoring her or playing clever games. It is about having your own direction. A life filled with goals, friends, work, and purpose. When your world does not revolve around one person, your time gains value. Limited access increases interest. Too much comfort removes mystery, and mystery often fuels attraction far more than constant reassurance ever could in real life daily. Second truth involves the tests many men complain about. When she challenges you, pulls away, or questions you, it often feels annoying. But these moments are not random. She is observing your reactions. She wants to see whether your confidence survives pressure. Many men fail here quickly. They become defensive, needy, or angry. Those reactions reveal weak emotional control and uncertainty in stressful moments, too. The man who stays steady passes the test without effort. He does not panic or chase approval. He simply remains calm and centered. That quiet control speaks loudly. It shows emotional strength. It also creates something deeper than attraction. Respect begins to form when she sees she cannot easily push or manipulate him. Trust starts growing slowly and respect becomes natural over time for her. Third truth surprises many people. Women do not truly want a man who agrees with everything. Constant agreement feels weak. A man who can calmly say no shows he has boundaries. He respects himself and his principles. His choices are not controlled by approval. Strong boundaries create safety. They show leadership over his own life and quiet confidence others can clearly feel around him daily. Men who cannot say no often face a hidden problem. At first, they seem kind and easygoing. Later, they are quietly resented not because they are bad people, but because they lack backbone. Respect requires strength. Calm firmness signals stability. When a man holds his ground without anger or ego, others feel secure around him and trust his steady character more over a long time naturally. Another reality is that attraction begins emotionally before anything physical happens. Looks might grab attention for a moment. Status might impress briefly, but emotional impact builds attachment. Women remember how man makes them feel. Alive, safe, understood, excited. When someone creates those feelings, logic becomes less powerful than emotion. Those emotions stay longer than looks, money, or status ever could in memory for years. This explains why someone may leave a seemingly perfect partner for another person. The deeper emotional spark matters more than surface qualities. Confidence during chaos. Playfulness without effort. Calm energy that feels grounding. These experiences stay in the mind. Emotional memories last longer than appearance or first impressions ever will because feelings attach meaning to moments. People remember how they felt, not what they saw. Finally, attraction does not end the moment a relationship begins. Many men slowly stop the habits that first made them attractive. They become too available and predictable. The tension that created excitement disappears. The man who keeps attraction alive keeps growing. He leads his life. He stays interesting.